Alright, welcome to a very short little update on the lake. It appears that the Starbucks location here now has signage up, but it's still not open. Let's see. Got a nail salon, and then the soccer post officially opened recently, within like the last week or so. Let me get a better view of that. And then there's still several. It's hard to see. It's raining, so I'm not. See if I can get it to. There we go. There's a couple empty spots right there. Chipotle is down on the end. That's been open for quite a bit, and honestly, not much else has changed. Everything else basically looks the same. Still doing a lot of work. Either one or two, or let me get it in focus. Potentially like one or two empty spots right to the left of the soccer post. And then over there next to, it's just gonna be blurry, but imagine you can see something next to the Starbucks location. So next to Starbucks, there's also going to be another either restaurant or retail. But Starbucks finally has the sign up, so it should be open very soon. So that's a little update of the lake. In addition to new stores opening, such as Soccer Post, they also have their updated website is live, and they are on Facebook and Instagram for updates. So that's about it out here. Not much else to report on. I'll get some shots as I'm driving out. I mean, everything else basically looks the same.